I don't know if you got a little something right there. Pretty little thing, I'm getting back and I'm wildin'. They keep getting back as my dream now shining. The way they hit me, D, I'm looking violent. Asking why ain't come around and not excited. I got it, boy, I got it, boy. Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. And today we're gonna be starting this room transformation vlog. I don't know how many parts this is gonna be. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but it's gonna be a journey because my room looks a hot mess, and it's not. One second. Okay, like I was saying, my room is not adult enough for me, and we have to give it a major glow up because I want to take a office job and I need a space to do my work. And sitting on the sofa with two in my lap is not as productive as it may seem. The next day, I just got off. Well, I got from work like an hour ago, or 2 or 3. But here's my room. Let me show you. So that's gonna go away once my new nightstand gets here. My bed's gonna go here, and then that's gonna go away once my new dresser gets here. My dresser gonna go here. I have to sweep this up. I got like 30 minutes before rooms to go is scheduled to arrive, but they're in a time frame, so yeah. So I'm gonna clear all this. Well, all this stuff. I'm gonna sweep up and stuff, get it out the way. So the rooms to go people just left. They literally took like 30 minutes. But we got the bed. So cute. The nightstand, which is gonna replace this nightstand. And the dresser. So big. Oh my god, I'm gonna die. And the jealous, of course. So this is how my room is looking currently. It's like 4 hours later. I have my nightstand here. I have to unscrew these and take these out, but I have my nightstand here. I'm leaving this empty. As you can see, I did put something in there, but then I like changed my mind. I'm gonna leave it empty until I can put my jewelry and stuff in it. And then with this one, it's gonna be like my actual nightstand drawer, so like my junk drawer. And then this one's gonna be my art drawer. So I'm gonna put all my art stuff here. This is gonna be like my desk. Here is the dresser. This is all I'm gonna put on it. Actually, let me like scoot that over. But this is how my dresser is looking. So beautiful. I have my candle stack, my cute little wine glass, some a plant, my makeup, my fragrances. These are my shoes. This isn't gonna stay here because when I take away that vanity and put the shoe, I don't know why that's on the floor, to be honest. You don't want this? No. This isn't gonna stay either. My vanity's gonna go here when I get my new vanity. I don't know about the wall color. It's light pink right now. Light pink is the accent color, but I don't know. My sheets don't arrive until next week. That's great. My mirror's gonna stay here. I'm gonna put it on the wall eventually. But yeah, I have mess everywhere, so I have to figure out how I'm gonna clean this up. Y'all, it's a little later and my package from Amazon came, so that means all my acrylic came. Not nail acrylic. These are like the containers that I'm gonna be putting my makeup and stuff in. These ones, I don't even know what these little bitty ones can be used for, to be honest, but they're so cute. I also got a new fire stick. This is the like 3rd generation. I got the 1st generation, so I'm gonna send that back. And I just bought this one. Guys, so currently I'm at work for like 30 more minutes, but look what just came. So this is my Impressions vanity. They didn't deliver my mirror. Okay, so I guess the mirror will come later. It's really weird. They didn't deliver the mirror. It says desktop and drawers. So the mirror, I guess, will come at a later date. Sort of weird. Like, why would you not ship the mirror with the Vanity? Anyways, I'm gonna show you how my room looks right now because it's Friday. So let's show you the room. Here's the room right now. I did clear this area to build the vanity at. That's the other vanity. That's not gonna be here too much longer. So all the stuff that's supposed to be in the vanity is actually on my desks. That's why it looks messy. I'm working right now, so I can't even begin to open it. And I am going to be leaving here at 4 to go to Athens. So, yeah. That's that. So I'm going to go ahead and finish my shift. I get off at 12 and I'll talk to y'all later. I just want to go on a record and say that I started this at 12 o'clock on the dot. It's 12:30 and we just have screws. And I have to stop at 2 o'clock because I have to do some nails. So wish me luck. I just want to say, y'all have to be very careful when screwing these in. Like, the smallest little infraction caused that. What's up at Bay City? I'm in my yak, I wanna dance. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I put him in a trance. I'm in my... Y'all, I'm so tired. It's currently like 2:08 and I have 4 drawers finished. 2 hours for 4 drawers. These are prepped. These are prepped. These are prepped. So I have like 8 more steps. I'm halfway through. So yeah. I think my auntie's coming so I can do her nails. I was planning on working 1 more hour, but I think I gotta do her nails. So y'all, I'm back home. And now we're getting back to building the vanity. Let's get it. Let's go. With a Shar. Say hey, Shar. Hi, Shar. You know what? Never mind.
Yeah. Hair hanging down to my back. I put it on him last night. He calling me back to back. Hey, bitch, this a new outfit. Turn to the back for a pic. Cognac queen, I'm lit. Whoa. Hand out, hand out, hand out, hand out. She pulling up with a 40. I'm pulling up with a short. I'm fresh off the plane, I'm imported. I'm fucking the baller, we courting. I'm making it clap, he recorded. And he keep on making them noises. Damn, fuck, shit. Ooh.
So, little update. Have come into a problem. So one of these screws, I don't know if y'all can see it. You definitely can't see it, but it's off track, so it doesn't screw on the knob, which is here. So I just found this screw, and let's see. Yeah, so they gave me a broken screw, and it's really irking my nerve. The screw literally has like some extra mess in the spiral track, so it won't even screw on, and that's messing with my OCD. But now I'm fixing to put all the tracks on this board. So turns out what I thought I had wrong, I actually did. So with these, you have to put 5 of the tracks on there, and it says the plastic pivot towards the back side of the cabinet before fixing the screws. What is that supposed to mean? I don't know. So drawers together, and I went to put them in the cabinet and they don't go in. And I at first thought it was because I have these like going 2 different ways. So like they go upside down here, but then they go right side up on the other side. But as you can see, they go in. The thing is, they only come out this much. So I'm wondering, are my drawers backward? I don't know, because if these couldn't go on any other way, they could only go on this way. It doesn't go. I don't know. Here are the drawers. This is collateral damage. It's gonna have gaps, and I tried to fix it to where it was only like gaps in between the 2 little skinny drawers. So also put some WD-40 like to make it like, you know, glide smoother. Yellow, yeah. So yeah, and if you have trouble with them, just wiggle it forcefully, and about 2 or 3 times in and out, it should get better. But you will not have a lot of drawer space. Like that's like a half a foot of drawer space not being able to be reached unless you do things like this. But yeah, just keep that in mind, because I thought I was doing something wrong. You're not doing anything wrong. They did something wrong.
It's very much a manufacturer's problem.
Very much an Impressions Vanity problem. But nevertheless, beautiful. Let's get this other thing built. Starting at 11:15.
Looks like someone doesn't want to build.
I don't. So, my vanity mirror came in, and I don't know if y'all can recognize it, but I didn't get the mirror that like installs in the vanity because I was like, she's expensive. It was like $300, so I got the $100 mirror. Let's open it and hope it's not like damaged, because it did come a week later. And I don't know what that was about.
He call me making a mag. It's turning to more high rap. He dogging it, I'll make it fat. And he told me, girl, you the best. But I already know what I am. They know I only wanna come over, put it on him. I got that whoa, na na na. He drink that shit like water. I got that supernova, that super grip, that choker. I got that ditch, yo bitch. Tell her I'm coming over. I'm in my yak, I wanna dance. I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man before I put him in a trance. I'm in my yak, I'm on that yak, I wanna dance. Come get your man, come get your man. Ay, yeah, cognac queen, huh? Cognac queen, ayy. Fuck is you saying? The fuck do you mean? I get on that yak and I lean, ayy. Cognac queen, cognac queen, huh? Together forever when we on the drink.
This is the mirror installed. Here's how it looks. Beautiful, and you can like change it to warm, and I love it. Hey y'all, today is Saturday, and now I'm fixing to put together this shoe rack I just bought. So I just bought this from Lowe's. Ooh, it's a bad boy. And we're trying to put this together because all of my shoes are currently in their boxes in my closet, taking up too much space. So, but let's do this. Let's get this. Let's get this. Oh, top of the morning, top of the morning. So here is the shoe rack all finished. I have my favorite shoes at the top, and then, you know, there's no order after the top. Except for these, because the 12s, the 4s, and the 5s, they don't really fit on here because, you know, they're fat. Yeah. But I love them. This side right here, I have for my 11s. I have one pair up there. I have my Brieyll up there. But, like, I have the navy blue and white ones. I forgot what they are. But they're down there. And then this one is for my Space Jams, which are in my car. And then, you know, these are, like, sandals. And then I don't even know why these two are right there. And then those are my hats and some jeans that don't fit in my drawer right now. And mask. So, yeah. That's what that's looking like. I also got my sheets. there's the box of my shoe rack. Anyways, just in case I gotta take it back. But this is my bed now. These are my sheets. That looks a little different too. We're not gonna look over there. My sheets, I went through heck and back with these sheets, y'all. So I first bought sheets from Target and they felt like paper. I literally got on the bed and I was like, no, I cannot. Even Zoe was like, no, we can't do this. So now I have these sheets, which are from Macys. I will link them down below if I can still find them because they were last act. And I really wanted this sage green color. So yeah, that's what we got. I still got that pillow from like my dorm bed, and then I have, of course, my Kate Spade comforter in all of its glory. And I also added these pictures. I painted each one of these. Well, I made all of these. I didn't paint that one, but I did paint this and I did paint that. These are basically just Pantone thank you cards and they're just glued onto a canvas that I also painted. This is Kiss My Airs. I did that in college and I just put it on that because it still match. And then this is the off-white Takashi Murakami collab looking thing that I found on Etsy that I really liked, but it wasn't in my colors. So yeah, awkward. This is Daisha editing 2 weeks later. She didn't have a close out the video, but she, I mean me. So this is the end of this vlog, part 1-ish. We will have a part 2 because the room isn't done. As you can see, it's still in the progress. If you like this room transformation content, let me know down below. Don't forget to subscribe and like for more of me. Until next time, bye.